Welcome to CampKTool online community. So we will be playing an amazing quiz today with a lot of these amazing, beautiful kids. We are so excited about space. You can always, I think now most of you can guess, not only my background, many of the kids' background, someone is in a spaceship. I think someone is already outside Earth. So the quiz, the theme is related to space. Not only space, in between we have like some amazing funny questions related to gaming too. So after every question, we'll come back to Zoom and we will be discussing about amazing facts regarding that. So shall we start the quiz? I need a thumbs up from everyone. There is no background music, so I'm giving music by myself. So let us start the quiz, guys. So let me share my screen and I will show you how to log in into our quiz website. Okay. So before I do that, I will show you how to go to the website, and after that you have to enter a code. I will show you what is the code, and there is the option where you can give your name. So you can give your name there. Okay, it's time for the quiz. I'm excited. I have put a lot of effort to making these questions. I hope all of you enjoy. So let me share my screen and play the quiz. Yes, I hope all of you can see my screen, and in the right side you can see joinmyquiz.com. So if you just can go to that website, and once you enter, it will ask for a code. So this is the code you have to enter, which is 964120. Okay guys, I'm starting the quiz. So what is the first question? 3, 2, 1, launching into the space. What is the name of our galaxy? Please answer, everyone. I will wait until all of you answer and we'll go to the next question. Our galaxy. No Googling, please. It's okay. Even if you give a wrong answer, that's good. Is it Kit Kat? I think our galaxy name is Kit Kat. Is it Kit Kat? Kit Kat Galaxy? Maybe Oreo Galaxy? Oreo Shake Galaxy? I'm not sure. I don't know why they named the way now what the name is. I don't want to reveal the answer. Let me reveal after a few seconds. I hope everyone answered. 60 students answered. So now time's up. I'm ending the question and we'll be moving to the next question. I'm just waiting for a few more people to answer. Great job, guys. Good job. I'm ending the question. Time's up. Some are still answering. Maybe I'll wait for 10 seconds more till everyone answers. Then I'll go to the next question. Yes. I want to proceed to the next question. Time's up. Great. The answer is, we will see how many of you answered right. Oh my God. Most of you guys did answer right. Great. And the answer is Milky Way. It's not Kit Kat. Some 2 of you answered Kit Kat, and it's not Mars. We live in Milky Way galaxy, guys. Isn't that sounding cool? Even in the image, when you answered the question, you can see the Milky Way image. So now come back to Zoom, everyone. Let us explore about Milky Way. Suit up in your space suits. Welcome to CampKTool community. Do you see the Milky Way picture in the left side? This is the Milky Way. And let us learn few facts regarding Milky Way. One is, in our Milky Way, there are 200 billion stars. OMG. And do you know one thing, guys? Our sun is also a star. So like our sun, there are 200 billion stars, and around every star, there are planets. Like how around our sun, there is Earth, Mercury, Jupiter. It's called solar system. So around every star, there are few planets. Then imagine how many planets we have in Milky Way. Now I'm getting it, like I'm a little curious. Do you think there are like these many billions and billions of planets? Do you think it will be having there will be humans living in any of the planet? Maybe some life form, maybe an alien. I'm not sure. Maybe because we didn't explore all the planets yet. Still, we are in our solar system. We never went outside the solar system to any other planet. We are just exploring Mars and Moon. Maybe if you go to another star and explore the planets there, maybe we have some alien sitting. Maybe in some planet now, they are having a classroom and they are also playing this quiz. Who knows? We don't know, because maybe they have that advanced technology. We don't know. So let us go to the next question. And the second fact is, and the Milky Way is not at one place. It's on the moon. How our Earth is rotating around the sun. How our moon is rotating around the Earth. Similarly, even the Milky Way will rotate around something. So in space, nothing is static, guys. Everything is moving. And there is a big black hole at the center of the Milky Way. So the Milky Way, which is having this 200 billion stars, it keeps on going around the black hole. And after millions and millions of years, it will fall into the black hole. Then we are all poof, gone. It sounds dark, but that's how space works. But it's not going to happen soon. That I can assure you. It's going to happen long time after. Okay. So you guys enjoyed the facts regarding Milky Way? Is this fun? So let us go to the next question, guys. Now I can see the first question most of you answered right. There are two reasons behind it. One is you guys are super smart. Second reason is it's very easy question, guys. I want to be frank. It's not hard. So now as we move on further, we'll be having hard questions too. Then I will see. 3, 2, 1, go. What is the name of recent Mars rover? So recently there is a rover launched to Mars recently, and I want all of you to say the name. If you want to see, there is a picture of the rover too in your where you are giving the question. That is the rover, and please let me know what the name of it. Most of you answered. Amazing, great. I'm still waiting for others. 93 people are there. 50 answered the question. So if all of you are done, then I will go to the next question. And we will discuss about cool facts about this Mars rover, guys. It's not a normal one. It's an amazing rover. I'm just in awe seeing this rover, the things that it can do. Imagine now at this exact moment, it's on the Mars, just moving around, collecting dust, taking picture. It's working 24/7. Even now. Imagine that. Okay, guys, time's up. I'm closing the question in 3, 2, 1 now. Thanks for answering. And the answer is, let me see how many of you answered right. Most of you did. And I can see Shreya's day is on top with 1200 points. And the answer is, you can see perseverance. Many of you gave curiosity also the answer, but it is the old one. Now recently they launched this Perseverance rover and now it's on Mars. So now let us quickly see the facts regarding Perseverance rover, guys. Now we can see the Perseverance rover. Now if you clearly observe below the Perseverance rover, there is a small stand kind of thing. Do you want to know what it is? So let us see some facts regarding Perseverance rover. So why we sent it? Why can't we just send this Perseverance rover on Earth and make it roam around? No, we want to see if there are some ancient life forms. Maybe in billions of years ago, there is life on Mars. We want to know. So that's the reason we sent. That's its main purpose. So it will collect the dust samples and see if there are any fossils. Maybe billions of years ago, maybe some life form is there. And as you can see the small image, this is the first time we humans have sent a rover which can fly. Not the Perseverance. You can see the bottom, there is something called small thing. It's called Ingenuity. So this thing is a helicopter. It's a drone. So now this is going to fly on Mars. OMG. Now still it's inside Perseverance. Slowly, I think I'm not sure exactly the date, but soon they will let it out and it will fly. It will get a lot of time to charge once it's done. I think it can fly for, once it's fully charged, it can fly for around few minutes only. Because in Mars, it's not easy to fly. The density of air is very less. So if you want something to fly, it has to rotate super duper fast. So that is the reason. And the other fact we have is the name Perseverance is given by a 7th grader. So in US, they had this competition. They asked all the students like you to give any name and write a small essay. And one guy gave this name and they selected it. Isn't that amazing? Great. So now let us go to the next question, everyone. This is a fun question. What was Mario's original name? Quick. Mario is not called Mario. I don't know if most of you know Mario because it's an old game, 90s game. When I was a kid, I used to play Mario. Now I'm very sure now you guys are not playing Mario. Maybe if you have Nintendo, that console, they have Mario games in that too now. So some of you may know, but the original name of Mario is not Mario. It's something else. So we will see. It's a fun question. I want to see how many of you know that. Yeah, only few seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8. My time goes a little fast. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Someone is searching on Google, looks like. All of you are going to Google and typing what is a real name. I'm ending the question, guys. Thanks. And the answer is, what is the answer? What is the answer? I will see how many of you answered right. Oh my God. Now Ritvik came on top with 1800 points. Amazing. Good, Ritvik. The answer is Jumpman. That's what they thought when they were making the game. Then it became Mario somehow. So great job, guys. So now let's quickly go to the next question. Now, next question. How long does it take the moon to circle around the earth? It's called revolution. How long does moon take to complete one revolution around the earth? Quick answer, please. Great job, guys. Now let us go through the questions quickly. Later I will tell you about facts, because we don't have much time. I want all of you to complete the quiz. So, and there is a timer running now. You will not be getting more time. So you'll be having only 10 seconds to answer a question. You have to select an answer. So I'm ending the question now. Thanks for answering. Let us go to the next question. Great job, everyone. Now let us see the answer. I want to check how many of you did right. Now still Tanmay came on top. Good job, Tanmay, with 2,400 points. And the answer is 28 days. Most of you did give a right answer. It's 28 days. And exactly, it's not 28 days. It's around 27 days, some minutes, something. But if you want to make it round figure, it's 28 days. Good job, guys. So let us go to the next question. Maybe we have a fun question now. Let's see, what do we have? Which was the first living creature to be launched into space? Is it a dog? Is it a pig? Is it a monkey? I don't know. Answer. Quickly. We have only 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Great job, everyone. I'm ending the question. And the answer is, it's a dog. Do you want to know the name of the dog? It's called Laika. How sweet the name is, right? Great job. Tanmay is still on the top. Great. Mrunmay came the second now. So the answer is dog, guys. So after this session, I will tell you more about the dog. Good job. Let us go to the next question quickly. What is the best selling video game of all time? It made a lot of money. What is that? Is it Mario? Is it Minecraft? Is it something else? I don't know. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the question. 3, 2, 1. Question is gone, guys. You have to answer fast. I can see still many of you have to answer. You have to answer fast. You don't have time to search for it. Okay. So now the answer is, now Tanmay Mori is still on top with 36,600 points. And the answer is Minecraft. Minecraft is the best game that many people bought. Good job, guys. Many of you said Grand Theft Auto, but it's little closer. It is the second best game, actually. So let us go to the next question. So guys, the next question is, can you guess the distance between the sun from Earth? How much is the distance? Is it 1 kilometer or 10 kilometers? Or is it a billion? Or is it 100 billion? I don't know. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the question. 2, 1. Yes, you have to answer quickly, guys. I can see still there are 20 to 30 people who didn't answer. So you should be quick. These are just choose the correct answers, right? You don't have to spend much time. You just see the question and answer. I can see Tanmay is on top with 4,200 points. And the answer is 150 million kilometers it is. OMG. It's a lot of distance. Let us go to the next question. How many moons does Saturn have? I know how many does Earth have because every night I see the moon. But Saturn has how many? Does anyone went to Saturn? Maybe if you go there, we can see in the night all the moons. Great. Good job, guys. I'm closing the question in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the question. Most of you answered. Great. And the answer is... Sahil came second with 4,800 points. Great job, Sahil. The answer is 82. OMG, Saturn has 82 moons. Imagine in the night there are like 82 moons in the sky. Imagine if it is in the earth, how it would be. Amazing, right? So let us go to the next question quickly. Yes, guys. What is the next question? I forgot actually, so I'm excited to know. What year was Roblox created? Does anyone play Roblox here? If yes, do you know when it's created? It's a fun question. I just wanted to keep it in between our space theme. Quickly, 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. I'm ending the question. You should answer fast. I can see half of the people didn't answer yet, but that's how it is. You have very less time. We have a timer activated. Great job. Now I can see Miriam Modis came second. Great. Now the answer is, what is the answer, guys? You can see the answer, right? 2006 it is. So let us go to the next question. Quickly, let us see which planet has the highest gravity in our solar system. I will give a clue. If the gravity is more, that means the planet is big. That is the clue I gave. You can thank me later. Great job everyone. So 5 seconds, the question will be closed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the question. Good job, guys. We have a big planet, and we have a lot of gravity there. And we have an app which is made in Thunkable by one of our students, where you can put your weight and it will show you what is your weight on different planets. I will show you that app too. It's a cool app made by one of students. And the answer is Jupiter. So let us go to the next question. There's a lot of unusual sounds in the video game Minecraft. And do you guys know Ghast? When you play Minecraft, it's like a ghost thing. And it makes a crazy sound. Do you know which animal they use to record that sound? It's a fun question. You can guess. There is no right or wrong answer. Please guess it. What is the animal? Is it a dog? Is it a cat? Is it a horse? Or did they really use a ghost to record the sound? I don't know. I never met a ghost. Maybe if they really are there, they must have. Okay, I'm ending the question in 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, everyone. And the answer is, it's a meow. It's a cat. Oh, Tanmay is still on top. Great. Ansh came third now. The answer is cat. Let us go to the next question. Good job, everyone. You're doing amazing. What is the name of India's first Mars orbiter mission? Someone in the chat when we started this wrote MOM. So I said, right, we have a question regarding that. So what is the name of that? I can imagine like most of you answering right this question. Is it Chandrayaan? Is it Mangalyaan? Is it Gaganyaan? I don't know. I'm ending the question in 3, 2, 1. I'm waiting for others to enter. Yes, I'm ending the question. Great job, everyone. And the answer is Mangalyaan. Good job. Most of you gave right answer. Great. Tanmay is still on top. I can see Gargi came on 4th. Sahil is on 5th place. Great. Mangalyaan is the answer. Most of you gave the right answer. Let us go to our, I think next we have our last question. Let us see. After that, we will see who are the winners. And I will show you some cool facts. Let us see who will answer this. What inspired Satoshi Tajiri is the guy who created Pokemon. So from where did he got this idea to create Pokemon? What is this crazy idea? Get a ball, throw it on an animal, and the animal goes inside the ball. Wow. Where did he got this idea from? Think. It's a fun question. So I'm ending the question in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. My timer is going a little slow. So 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0.4. It's going very slow because it's the last question. I want to give some time to all of you answer the question. Okay, guys, I'm ending the question. Great. So he got this idea. So in childhood, he has this habit of going and collecting caterpillars and keeping them inside and seeing them becoming butterflies. So that's where he got this idea. Great job, guys. Leaderboard, as you can see on top, there is Tanmay. And the answer is this. Good job. I think we are done with all the questions. Do we have any more questions? Let's see if I have any more. You guys have to play. We are done with all the questions, guys. So you want to see the results. Later we will discuss about cool facts. And here are the results. Ta-da! Congrats all. You guys all did a wonderful job. And I can see first place we have Tanmay, second we have Mireya, third we have Ansh. Congrats all of you did a great job. Since they gave the answers very quickly, so they are on top. Tanmay is on top with all the answers correct. OMG with 7,800 points. Even Mireya Modi is on top with all the answers correct. Ansh is with 92%. Sahil with the third place. Kushagra is in the fourth. Shivan is in the fourth place. Sinita is in the fourth place. Shreya is in the fourth. Hard in the fourth. Divisha is in the fourth place. Garg in the fourth place. Shreyas in the fourth place. 964120. Whoever it is, they are in the fifth place. And Arena is in the fifth. Amrita in the fifth. Aditi is in the fifth. Shreya BS in the fifth. Nitlan in the fifth place. Ryansh, Murtaza, Anurag, Ritvik, Abhijit, Krishek, Abhinav. All are in fifth. Great job, guys. Big round of applause for all of you. All of you did a great job. Okay, participating in the quiz, having this curiosity to learn more about space, that itself says that you are a winner. You don't have to be on top. Even participating in the quiz tells a lot about you guys. So let us quickly see if we have any more facts. Quickly we'll go. And this is a video that Perseverance rover took on Mars. Let me quickly show you how the video looks like. See the Perseverance rover landing on the Mars. Can you see that? So this is the video taken by the Perseverance rover and it's sent back to Earth. Isn't that amazing? So like this, and you can get, all of you can go to this website, not now, maybe whenever you have time. It's called mars.nasa.gov.mars2020, where every day whatever the pictures Perseverance sends, directly it will be uploaded here. So you can have a look through. Later, at the end of the session, I will also send it. And we also have few amazing facts regarding the moon. Moon always shows one face. We never saw the backside of the moon, because moon is also rotating around itself, right? And also it's rotating around the Earth. So it's rotating in such a way that you see only the one side. You can't see the other side. And the moon is moving approximately 3.8 centimeters away from our planet every year. Maybe after billions of years, you can't even see moon. It's long gone somewhere. So please take care of our moon whenever it's very near. It's going to go somewhere. And we also have moonquakes on moon, like earthquakes. And this is the cute dog, Laika, first dog that went to the space. Isn't it? This dog is looking so cute. Nice, right? And Soviet Union launched this dog using Sputnik. And that's why they recently named their vaccine also Sputnik. Nice, right? And it's called Bark. Russian Laika is called Bark. That's why they named. And we also have amazing facts regarding sun. Even the sun is traveling 220 kilometers per second, and it is very big. And it takes like 250 million years to complete one revolution around Milky Way. Because sun is also rotating. Not only Earth is rotating, even sun is rotating around Milky Way, and Milky Way is rotating that black hole, around the black hole. Oh my God. I thought like I'm lazy. No, I'm not lazy. I'm doing a lot of work. I'm rotating. If Earth is rotating, I'm also moving, right? Yay, I'm doing something right. And it takes 8 minutes for the light of the sun to reach the Earth, guys. Isn't that amazing? And we also have some cool fact around Saturn. Let me quickly go through. Saturn is not solid. It's like gaseous. So you can't land on Saturn. If you go on Saturn, you will go down because it's not so very solid. And it spins very fast. And these are some facts regarding Mangalyaan. Apart from India, when we attempted for the first time to launch Mangalyaan, India is the first country. We did in the first time itself. We did a great job. And it's just developed in 15 months. NASA, they spent like 5 to 10 years to develop their first one. We just spent 15 months to send Mangalyaan. And once Mangalyaan sends a signal, it takes 14 minutes to reach the Earth. So all the photos that it takes a lot of time. So this is one of the pictures taken by Mangalyaan of Mars. Isn't it nice? And guys, this picture must have taken more than an hour to reach, because now if you send in WhatsApp, it will come in a second. That's not the case because Mangalyaan doesn't have WhatsApp. So it has to say, it will take a lot of time for Mangalyaan to send back. And that's about it, guys. I had an amazing time. So let me just see you guys. All of you did an amazing job. Great job. So I have like 1, 2 like small funny questions. So maybe I will ask one of two guys. I'll just pick 2 of you guys and ask. There are no right and wrong answers. I just wanted to of you guys to give an answer. Okay. Maybe Divya is excited. Maybe I'll ask Divya and Swastika. For now, I'm just pinning them so that all of you can see. Swastika, I'm pinning you too. Okay. So now Divya and Swastika, I'm unmuting you guys. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself, and I have a question for you. Quick question, because you guys are like showing so much enthusiasm.
Excuse me, please, sir.
Hey Divya, hello.
Hello, sir. Sir, after you asked your question, I also have some questions for you.
Oh my God. Now I'm worried now. Okay, ask me. I will try my best. And I want to say, guys, general knowledge doesn't mean that I know all the answers. I'm little being safe now, but I will try my best, Divya. And Swastika, you also help me, okay? I think he's already Googling. Okay, Swastika, you can do your best. Yeah, ask me, Divya. I will try my best.
Can you tell me that on which like on Earth, it rains in the form of water, na?
Yes.
So on which planet it rains in the form of diamonds?
OMG. In diamonds, I'm not sure. Let me guess. I may be right. Like, it's Mercury. Is it? Wait, Venus.
No.
Oh my gosh, my bad. Well, maybe second guess. I will try. I'm not sure. Is it Mercury? No. I didn't say Mercury. I didn't say it. Wait. Actually, I will take the Venus back too. Is it Saturn?
No.
Okay, you can tell me. I don't want to give another wrong answer.
It's Uranus or Neptune.
Oh,
Uranus and Neptune.
amazing. It's Neptune and Uranus. I really want to go there, yaar. I need some diamonds. Yeah, amazing. Good job.
We'll also be getting diamonds from Uranus and Neptune.
Great job, Divya. So I have a question, okay? So it's not a question, it's just an explanation. So, Swastika, are you here? Can you hear me? No, he's went offline. Should I ask someone to come? I will ask Reyansh. You come. Reyansh, you can unmute yourself. So the question is this. We have solar eclipse, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
I want both of you, any of you can say, when solar eclipse happens, what I know is when I see there is no sun, something is coming like in between, so that something is blocking me. What is that?
Moon.
Good job, Reyansh. It's moon. Now is the tricky part. There is also lunar eclipse happening, right? That means when I see the moon, there is no moon. Something is coming and blocking it. What is that?
Earth.
No. This is the tricky part. Everyone thinks, Mister, you are sitting on Earth. How do you think another Earth comes and blocks the moon? Yes, Divya. You can unmute and tell.
Is it sun?
Sun is bright. So if sun comes in between, so it will be so bright. When I see the moon, something black is blocking the moon. So it's not obviously sun. See, this happens every month. Not only you, many of the adults don't know this. They get confused. What's blocking the moon? Is it sun? No. Is it Earth?
Every
No.
month. I can't see it in a year also.
Every month lunar eclipse happens, right? Full moon happens every month. Lunar eclipse happens every month.
Full
Yeah.
moon.
Even the lunar eclipse happens every month. So let me tell you the answer. It's not Earth, but it's Earth's shadow.
Earth's shadow.
Yes. So Earth is in between, sun is here, moon is in the right. So the light falls on the Earth, the Earth's shadow falls on the moon. So we can't see it. Isn't that amazing, right? And you ask this question to your parents. It's a cool question. It's a tricky question. They will also say, maybe is it Earth? Maybe is it Mars? In our Shastra, they say Rahu Ketu. They have different things, right? So it's a cool thing, guys. So I want to share this fact with you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks, Divya. Thank you, Reyansh. Thanks, everyone. You did an amazing job. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really had an super fun. And I want to say in Camp K12, in every class, we will discuss about, in most of the classes, we have classes where we teach coding. And we have classes where we teach art. We learn about how to draw. And we also have many things where we also have English classes, maths. So I want all of you to have a look in our CampKtool website and explore what of different courses that we are offering. And in every class, we will be having fun. We'll be making amazing applications. We'll be making amazing games. And as I said, even one of our students, he made an app where we can see what is your weight on different planets. And one more student made in a 3D VR platform how to launch a rocket. So we can't go on now, we can't go into rocket and go into space, but at least in our 3D VR world that we create, we can do that. So your imagination is limitless. You can do whatever you want in VR, in virtual reality. So in CampKtool 2, your imagination has no limits. You can create many things. So I really request all of you to visit our website and explore the courses. And once you join a course, and we'll be having a lot of fun there too. So thank you so much.